Here is an easy step-by-step video to show how to replace the blade on the ratcheting PVC cutter. The first thing is to remove the screw from the front of the tool. Next step, take your screwdriver and push the pin through the tool so you can easily pull it out through the back. Go ahead and release the handle lock. This will help take the tension off the blade to easily get it to slide out. Now you are ready to grab your new blade and slide it back in. Angle the blade as you get it back into the groove. This will help it lock into place and line up your holes. Next, take your bolt and slide it through the back until it pops all the way through. Then reattach the screw on the front side. Now go ahead and tighten up your screw. And there you have it. A new blade replaced safely and securely.